Hi guys, my name is Steve Biko, and I'm an engineer by profession, specializing in electrical instrumentation and microprocessing engineering, and I'm also an IT expert, a programmer advancing to the level of Cisco's. And today I would wish to take you through a component of instrumentation engineering, and that is electrical design and engineering. That's a component or a key service in instrumentation engineering. And we may need to start by defining what electrical design and engineering is. So basically this involves planning, designing, and implementation of electrical systems of various applications. Just to repeat, it involves planning, designing, and implementation of electrical systems of various applications. And again, this process or this application or service will have to ensure that the operator have a deep understanding of electrical principles, codes, and standards, and as well as what we call the CAD or the CAD. CAD in full means computer-aided design softwares. So anyone undertaking an electrical design and engineering must have a deeper understanding of computer-aided design softwares, as well as the codes and the principles entailing electrical engineering. So some of the components of some of the key alignments of the electrical design and engineering as a service includes we can speak of requirement design, which I may not need to elaborate because it's also broad in its own way. So I'll just have to highlight them. They could range all the way from 10 all the way to 20. So I'll just highlight them. Then maybe when you have your time, you can do your own research just to make you understand them better. So the first one is requirement design. The next one is what we call the conceptual design. Then we have the schematic design, and that's where you'll be forced or you'll be compelled to be acquainted with the computer-aided design softwares. There are quite a number. We have the AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, we have the FreeCAD, we have Blender for the guys majoring on animations, even Photoshop still falls under that category. We have CorelDRAW and many more. Fusion 360. Yeah, so those are examples of computer-aided design. So proceeding with the components of electrical design engineering, we have power distribution, we have load calculation, we again have what we call the protection and safety. These are just standards put in place to ensure that whenever you're undertaking these processes, your safety is guaranteed and you're protected from any external or maybe even mental harm anyway. So we also have grounding and bonding. You may need to research on that. We have lighting design. We had code compliance, and lastly we can speak of documentation. So guys, that's all for the electrical design and engineering as a component of instrumentation engineering. And you can take your time, do your own research, and analysis. And maybe if you feel like you want to engage me in any further contribution, you can make good use of my comment box. If you feel like there's need to challenge me, you can as well challenge me there. And any private contact you can also make through my private box. I'm available. Thank you.